Hello, welcome back again to another class, Java class. Today we are looking at inheritance. What is inheritance? Basically, the inheritance is the derivation of one class from another class so that the attribute and methods of one class are part of the definition of another class. So the first class is often referred to as the base class, or sometimes we can call it the parent class. The other class that we have created from the parent class, we refer to it as derived class or a subclass. Now, why would we need to inherit a class? So if you need to write a class and there is an existing class that has methods similar to the methods that you'd want to use in your class, you can define your class as a subclass of the existing class so that you can inherit these methods. That way, the advantage would be simply that you do not have to rewrite the codes for those methods that you are inheriting. Okay, let's look at an example. We have class machine, and within it we have declared weight as an integer type and assigned value 1000, and then we have get weight, which has been declared within it, which is of an integer type and returns the weight. We have another class car extends machine, and within it we have declared model, which is of a string type, and we have assigned Tesla. Now we have also declared a method get data, and if we look at get data, inside it is basically having a method call for get weight. Now remember, get weight is not declared within this particular class, but because we are extending machine, if we look at machine, it has the method get weight. And that is the reason why we are able to make use of get weight within this particular class. Now on the side here, we have as a, that is, this is the composition of class machine. It has weight, which is an integer type, and it has a method get weight, which still is of integer type. Now down here we have class car, and this is a type of machine, and because it is a type of a machine, we have inherited from it, we have inherited int weight, that is weight, which is of an integer type, and we have also inherited the method get weight from it. Originally, this class was declared with model as a string and get data as a method. So now it is composed of these four items, where we have two items which are fields and two methods that is get weight and get data. Let's jump right away to Java and write this program. So let's do it using Eclipse. Okay, we are in Eclipse, so let's start coding. We go back to our project, learn Java basics. Yeah, I want to add a new package here. Simply just right click and then come to package. You can say com.lesson.form. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, right click on it, then new class. Remember, we had two classes. We had machine class and then we had the car class. So let's start with the car class. Yeah. Now inside our car class, we can still have the other class, public class machine. Yeah, that was machine. What did we have inside machine? We had a declaration of int weights, integer type weight, which we assigned to 1000. Yeah, and then we had a method which was of an integer type. Yeah, I think it was get weight. Yeah, it was get weight. There, within it we are basically returning return weights. There we go. Yeah, you can have another class inside the file of another class. So what we are going to do, we just need to remove public from it. Yeah, there, see, no error. Now in the car class, we had a field model and we had a method get data. So let's just try to put them back where they were. And that was model, sorry, that was Tesla. Terminate, and then we had our method. It was public void get data. That's what we had. Now this method calls the method get weight. There we go. Okay. To arrange code in Eclipse, Control Shift F. Yeah, that's good. Now, okay. So let's see what we have here. Okay, now what we need is we need another method, that is the public static void main method. Public static void main. Okay, now we got it there. Now we cannot access this method unless we make use of an object, because it's not a static method. So we create an object of our class. Can you see? There. So we need to say the object dot operator, and we are able to get that. There, we are able to access it. Now let's see what error is this. Create method get weight. Don't we have it? Oh, sorry, forgot to extend. Extends machine. So there is no way it could have been recognized as a method within this particular class unless we extended, or unless we created a method in this class we are referring to as get weight. But we are learning how to inherit, and for that reason we need to use get weight that is within a class machine. Now we have resolved that. If we run this class, what happens? Nothing happens, because it's running but it cannot give an output. So we need a system out. Let's see if we can probably do that, and then get the data method, because that's what we want. You can see it's already giving us trouble here. It's not going to output. What's the error? Remove argument, print line, change to print. Return type of get data. Yeah, this is where we have an error. The problem can be here. It needs to be, we can give it a type, and then we can probably say, what can we say? Needs a return statement. Once we do that, we need to give it a return. There. Let's remove that, and let's see what kind of output we are going to get. There, it's giving us an output, but we can do this. Can probably say weight. We can just show it's in kilograms. Yeah, like that. Then do a concatenation there. Save, run again. There. Okay. Oh, what about the model? You might be asking yourself, what about the model? This one, it needs to be within, it needs to be there, and then we can give it a system out. And you can say this is the model, car model. And then what do we want it to be? Just do a concatenation there, model. We get an error. Let's terminate there. Okay, let's run again. There. S symbol is that. So guys, you see what has happened? We have extended machine, and as a result of extending machine, we are able to use method get weight within this particular class. In other words, car class is a subclass of machine because it has inherited from machine. We've been able to inherit the method get weight, and we've inherited the variable weight, which has been declared and assigned 1,000, and that's why when I run, get this particular kind of output. So I guess that is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.